Hi friends, welcome. Welcome to my channel. This is DAMODAR here. Friends, a couple of days back, I have published a video on how to trade in crude oil using price actions. And I got a lot of feedbacks. I got many mails. I got some WhatsApp messages. So thank you very much for the support. And I have received some doubts, and some people ask me, can you at least help us to give some morning views, right? So friends, today I'm just going to show what I am expecting in crude today. First of all, I want to give you a disclaimer that it is purely for an educational purpose. I'm not guaranteeing you any success in the trade or any return on this trade. These are my views, personal views based on my studies. So I want to request all you that before taking any trades, do your own analysis, manage your money properly, find out what is the kind of risk you have it's involved in the trades, and what is the return you are expecting, and manage it wisely, because stock market and the commodity market carries risk. So manage the risk properly, right? So I'm not giving you any guarantee or any success on the view, right? Just my personal view, I'm sharing it. So let us see what I am expecting today in crude oil. See, first, in my previous video, I told you that I analyze market by using, first I go through a long-term chart, then I go to a short-term chart, right? For intraday, I use a 30-minute chart. So you can see a 30-minute chart already I have set. And also for a long-term analysis, normally I take one-day chart, right? So my favorite one indicator is 20 EMA, right? So now, first I want to see the location. So here, what I was seeing is it was keep on making new lows, but when it started recovering, it made a low, but it didn't break the previous low. So that is a slightly good signal for me, but that doesn't mean that it can turn the directions. Maybe the trend we will identify only after closing above this level, right? So now for me, see, like last from 5th January onwards, if you see market is crude oil is in a continuous bull run. So now, for me, the important level is, see, when you go to here, this is a swing high, swing low level, right? From here, this level, if you see, there was a selling happened from this level, which is 6722, and it went up to 6025, right? Almost 700 point, it has come down from this level. So this, and if you go to the previous days, even at the same level, there was a selling happened previously also. Here also you can see, here also same way you can see. And also it is a good demand zone also, in case if the market close above this level, this is a good demand zone, because if you see there was a swing low here, from here again the buying happened, right? So this zone is an important zone for me. So I'm going to mark it. I'm just going to mark, see, for me, I'm starting this to this zone, right? This is a very important zone for me, right? Yeah, around 6725 or 222, 67, almost 95 or 85 kind of thing, right? This is an important zone for me. I am expecting there can be a selling pressure whenever once the market reaches, the price reaches at this level, right? And so that doesn't mean that it cannot cross. Even it can cross also, right? So market, it's a probability game. We cannot certainly say that it has to come down, but there can be a high probability that there can be a high selling pressure at this level. But one good thing here, 20 EMA is actually started supporting you. So there can sometime, if there is a huge buying pressure comes at this level, and if it cross and today's closing is above this level, then market may trend into slightly a bullish signal. That's what I'm expecting, right? And there is a gap which has to fill. It was made during November months. So I don't know, that we will see later, right? Anyway, today there is no chance for that. But this is what from the long-term chart I'm seeing. And if at all, if it comes this level, we have seen my previous video, this is also a very good support zone, right? This zone is also very good support zone. Okay, so market as of now, I'm expecting it can play in between. Let us go and see a short-term chart, right? In 30-minute chart, as I told in the previous video, I use a 30-minute to analyze my crude oil intraday directions. So 30 minutes start what it says. See, yesterday, the CPR was a narrow CPR and it was a trending day. But at closing hours, if you see, there was a selling pressure. There was a selling pressure. So one good thing we need to understand is there is currently it's trading at the resistance one, right? Daily pivot resistance one, and we have a weekly pivot here, and we have an intraday previous day's high, right? So here also we should be very careful that this zone is a very big zone for us, right? So if my either an elephant candle or a rocket candle, which I explained during my free webinar on Thursday, if those kind of candles either cross this level or comes down this level, maybe we will look for a trade opportunity. And if it breaking with those kind of candle, I am expecting immediately it can go up to this level, right? This is a CPR range. You can see 3 small dots. These are CPR range. Today also not a wide CPR, so it can be a trending day. But again, this zone, again, we have a support zone. We have CPR. CPR is one of the strong support and resistance zone. Apart from that, we have one swing high, swing low here, right? And if at all, let us say the buying interest is continuing, and if it close above, the prices are going above this level, and if the candles are closing above this level, that means I'm expecting this the price can go to this zone first, right? This 6706 to 6729, this zone, right? So today, since yesterday the options are expired, so the today option premium will be high. But yeah, we can of course go look for an option selling. If at all, if the price goes up, I am looking for a selling a put option. If at all, if the price comes down with proper indication, then I may look for a selling a call option, right? Just my view, right? Yeah. So this is what overall today's analysis. And again, we cannot say anything. It's a market, and once market once it started performing, we need to find out how it's behaving. Accordingly, we may need to change the direction. We may need to change the trading strategies, so that during the market hours I'll take it. So these are the important levels I just want to show you. Right. So this is especially to my friends who have already shared me a couple of mails and WhatsApp messages asking the daily analysis. So I thought today I will put, as soon as the market opens, I thought I will take a video, I'll shoot a video and I'll show you how this analysis I do it. Right. Apart from that, we are already ready with our Nifty, Bank Nifty that we will discuss in some other days. So once again, the disclaimer, do your own analysis, make sure you manage your risk properly. Right. So thank you very much. Wishing you a wonderful day. Let all you blessed with a happy and successful trading day. Thank you very much.